think I love this product. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roseanna. So in today's video, I picked up some new products and I want to test them out with you. So that is what we're going to be doing today. But before we get into that video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. You can ring the bell. It will give you notifications of when I post. So yep, like, make comments, tell your friends, subscribe, help a newbie out. I would so appreciate your support. And thank you so much for helping me grow this channel. And now without further ado, let's get started. Okay. First things first, I grabbed the new Tarte CC tinted serum. I am like so super excited. I actually went into the stores to go look for it, to try it on, because I really didn't know which color I wanted. They didn't have them in the store. I'm like, but girl, when I look online, it says that you have it. I went to Ulta, by the way. But no, I decided to bite the bullet and I decided to order it online. So I'm super excited to try that. Girl, I don't know if you guys have seen this, but Fenty has like these bundles on TikTok. Oh my gosh, this one looks so good. Full disclosure, I already tried it on and I have a short about it. I don't know if it's going on before, after. PS, I do film shorts on Thursdays and then long form on Saturdays. So please check that out. Again, if you don't subscribe, please subscribe. Tell your friends, help a newbie out. But anyway, this is so beautiful. I got the most neutral color. This one is the Traced Out Pencil Lip Liner in Peanut Butter. It is so beautiful. Look, I already used it. I'm gonna have to sharpen that, but it is gorgeous. So that's what that looks like. And then the Lip Smack and Stick is in Birthday Suit. It is so friggin' pretty. Look at that. It's just that beautiful, ooh, pale, peachy color. Ooh, it's so nice. We're gonna try that, but I'm so stinking excited about this product right over here. I am going into the city. When I say into the city, I live in Jersey, girl. So when we say we're going into the city, we're going to New York City. But anyway, I'm going to the city today to have lunch with my daughter and spend the day with her. And it's going to be like a bagajillion degrees out. So I pulled out the big guns right over here. I'm so friggin' curious about this CC cream, because especially like now that it's summertime, in the heat of the summer, in the heart of the summer, it is so friggin' hot. Who wants to wear like full ass makeup? I know I don't. So I'm hoping that this would at least balance out my hyperpigmentation. It does say it's skincare infused buildable coverage tinted serum. It has adaptosphere. Where did I come up with these words? Technology. Smart pigments adapts to you, shifting from neutral base to your perfect match. Now I have seen other videos that they think that, like they say that it leaves a white cast. I'm not really sure. Maybe it's just the lighting, but we'll see. It's got a Smart Clay Complex, Plumping Peptides, Maracuja Oil, Amazonian, plus colored clays, smooth, lifts and blurs the appearance. Interesting. So that is it. Like I said, I got mine in medium. Shake well, blend to activate pigments, and allow 1 to 2 minutes to develop. I'm thinking I'm going to just wear this today. And like I said, because it's going to be a bagajillion degrees, I got all the L'Oreal Infallible products right over here. So I got the bronzer, a little bit of highlight, and this blush, very bright. But I want my makeup to last. And I know we're gonna be outside a lot of the time, so I don't want my makeup to melt off. So this is what it looks like right over here. I'm gonna shake the little lover up. Listen, I have been dying for summer all winter and fall. I'm not complaining. Maybe I'll come back afterwards. Maybe I will, and during, we'll see, just to show you how the makeup fared out in the heat. But yeah, I love the damn summer. But then again, I'm always in air conditioning, so who am I to talk? Shaking it, shake this little lover. Oh, P.S. these lip liners, they do not budge. Love it. All right, so I'm gonna just take this off. Let's just try it right here for now. So this is how it comes out. Okay, and I'm just blending it in. That looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. And I think I've seen people say use it with your fingertips, so I'm not really sure, but I put like that much on. And let's go to town. Oh, you know what? I should have done a before and after. Okay. Okay. And I'm glad I got the medium because I wasn't, wow. Okay. Because I really wasn't sure if I needed the medium or one shade lighter. Hold on now. That looks really good. Dare I say I like it? And it's plenty of coverage. Huh. I'm going to just put a little bit more on because I didn't get my forehead. Uh-huh. Hold on now, people. I think I like it. That is friggin' beautiful. Wait a minute. Let me get my mirror. I wipe the paws. That looks really, really good. Did it say buildable? Let's see. Yeah, it's an infused buildable coverage. Out of curiosity, I just want to see if I can build it up a little bit more right over here. This is beautiful. There, to me personally, right here as I'm looking in the mirror, there is no white cast at all. That is gorgeous. I'm going to just put a little bit more, like that much. Yep, you know, girl, I got to give it to you. At least once in every video. And I'm not a lefty, so this is a little tricky. Hold on. Let me go this way. I wonder if you could get more coverage if you do it with a brush, like just stipple. See, I see what people are saying, how like, oh, it looks like there's a white cast, but you have to give it, like it said, 1 to 2 minutes for it to activate. Fix my nose. Oh, geez, Louise, I really love this product. I am so curious if it'll stay all day. That is beautiful. Is it buildable? You guys tell me. I think I want a little bit more right over here. I think I love this product. Yeah, like when people are like, oh, but you got to give it a second. I'm going to go in with a brush. I do feel the best application is with your hands. And I know some people are not going to like that. Okay. Halt. That is beautiful. That's beautiful. Wow. Okay. I am so curious how this is going to fare out. I'm going to just speed up the process. Nothing else new other than the lip smackins. So let me quickly do my face. I guess we'll do check-ins today because I'm curious. So curious.